King River.
So we're gonna have some fun, and we're also having TrigitalizFPV coming along to shoot some cool shots with the drone. So it's gonna be fun.
Yes. So tag along.
Tag along! Vilka namn man säger bara. Det är hur det är att se på den. Köper det nu.
Vet ju. Lilla syster.
Testa parkeringen. Här.
Vad tycker du om EPA-traktorer?
EPA-traktorer är nice. Nej, fan.
Vad fan har du inte cool om man inte hänger?
Det är bästa kung på vloggar. Så.
Well, today we're here with TrigitalizFPV again. He's gonna try to film something here in the GokartCentralens in Kungälv. So we'll see if you crash or if you survive. We're gonna try to do some laps at the same time when he's filming and see how it goes. So this is the drone. Was the top speed 160?
Yeah, approximately.
Yeah, kilometers per hour. Yeah. And the VR goggles. I would get so dizzy if I tried that.
Yeah. Du är redan förstörd. Allt annat med verkligheten.
So we're a bit worried about the steel walls and everything and see if that might disturb the radio frequencies, but that's why we're doing a test before we go out to see that nothing happens.
Okay. Let's try.
Yeah. That was Something happened? Man down. Vingar?
Tappa volt.
Aha.
Fuck.
Vad stor fan, du får sluta med.
Who won?
Jag fick ju köra om.
Where did you get now? And you?
I got lost probably.
Good stuff. And he didn't total his drone at least, so it's good. It survived.
Yeah, almost survived one crash. That's it.
Small crash.
Just a touch in the wall.
Yeah.
Jag har inte topp 3 i alla fall.
Still good though. So we're gonna do 2 more passes, I guess.
Yep.
Will you be better next time?
Yeah, I will probably be better, yes.
Yeah. But I'm the best so far, that's good. I'm satisfied.
Goodbye.
Did it go better the last run?
Yes, it did.
For you?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So that was a fun day at the GokartCentralens. We did 3 laps together and we filmed some with Trigitalis. So we're gonna show you some of the clips later. First 2 laps, I won. Second one, Kalle got first and Robin got second. 2/10 of a second. That bastard. Well, that's it for today. Have a good one. Bye bye. Richard is back. He managed to get some new light pipes, or what's it called?
Luminescence something.
Luminescence something. New lights for the for the garage. To get some more colder light and better light because they're pretty old. And it's gonna help me put this up as well. And the TV.
Nice.
So we've done some cleaning. You can see the difference between the floor if you go like this. So pretty good difference. I have a lot more to show you, but now we're gonna go over to his brother, Robin, and check out his car and pick up a refrigerator for all the beer and stuff. Yeah. So, be back.
Hello, my name is Robin Thagesson. You can follow me and my build at my Instagram, Thagesson. Please check it out.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's my car. Static pictures. It's a little bit dirty right now because it's been standing outside for like 2 years. This is so nice. This is what a car should be like.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Ta i lite mer. This is gonna be good.
Confidence level 100%.
Yeah, that's about a tire speed.
Nej, det här kommer ju... Oh my god.
Nej, rör inte den där. Den är hårdplastad och går sönder.
Vi kommer ju se inte. En skit om den åker ut nu lite.
Ja, åker den och stannar vi inte va?
Det står ju för fan vårt namn och allting på den.
Det står en jävla massa namn på den. The last few days has been productive. We try to get everything up from the floor and clean the floors. And we have gained some extra shelves in here for the subframes, front and rear. So it's good getting all of that stuff out of the way. And in the chill room we're trying to fix it. So this will be Digify Media's workstation and mine as well. And this will be the chill area. We have an old Xbox 360 and some stuff like that. We even cleaned the walls because everything was so dirty. So it's gonna be nice to go back to the roots a bit. Safe as well. So it's getting better by the day. So this is a new shelf as well. Get more stuff up from the floor. And the floor is almost done for the cleaning as well. We got the old fridge back from Daily Fresh time. Old school OG. We filled up Sebastian's shelves as well. So. It's almost